Hi guys, Chris here at SONAX GB. In this video I want to show you our brand new PPF and vinyl range. With the popularity of PPF and vinyl on cars going through the roof, it was time that SONAX brought out its own range. The reason why is because a lot of people don't realise that whilst PPF and vinyl, they protect very well against scratching, stone chips. One thing they're not great at protecting at is dirt. And actually, because of the porous nature of the films, gets into them, embeds itself in it very, very easily. And actually wrapped cars and PPF cars, they get dirtier faster and are actually a lot harder to maintain. So if you want to keep your wraps and PPF in tip-top condition and you want them to be easy to clean, these three products are perfect for you. Let me take you through them. First of all, we have our vinyl and PPF cleaner. This is very easy to use. Just spray on during the washing process. You can agitate with a microfiber sponge or wash mitt or whatever your choice is. Very easy. This helps deep clean the vinyl and PPF. It helps pull dirt out of it. Also, if it's a white wrap, sometimes it's got a bit yellow because of the dirt embedded in it. This will help to pull all of that out, deep clean the wrap and give it a nice clean finish. Once you've finished cleaning it, we then have our vinyl and PPF polish, which is here. This is fantastic because this will actually remove light scratching from wraps. It will help add gloss, restore the color, and actually leaves a protectant behind. It is amazing. You can actually use this on a machine. So if you want to use a DA, which we'd advise for that, rather than a rotary because you can overheat the wrap, you can use a DA with this product, with a sponge, that will actually remove quite sometimes some medium scratching from the vinyl. Now you can also polish matte and satin wraps with this, although only by hand. You can't use a machine with that because obviously the mechanical action can damage the satin and matte finishes. But by hand, you're absolutely right. And sometimes the matte finishes especially, they tend to white out, they tend to lose their color. This will really help restore that. And then once you've finished with that, there is then the vinyl and PPF detailer. This helps remove light soiling, it helps restore the colors, keeps the colors if you've already polished them, keeps the colors, also adds protection to stop dirt being able to embed itself in and keep your vehicle cleaner for longer. It's a very simple three products. Whether you're a professional or a home user, these products are fantastic for maintaining or protecting your PPF and wrap. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to use these products, and I'm going to show you these two because this is a wet product and I don't want to go spraying a jet wash around inside, but I've already explained kind of how to use that one. So put that one to one side. First one I'm going to show you how to use is the SONAX PPF and vinyl polish. Super simple, and I'm going to be applying it by hand with one of our SONAX Peebles, okay, which is an amazing polishing ball, feels nice in the hand, gives you great control, and is nice to use. So first of all, give it a few shakes, apply it to the Peeble, and then you just work in circles, applying a little bit of pressure just to help remove any scratching and stuff, and just keep working in circles. So once you've polished that area, and you can work say half the bonnet or whatever, you don't have to work a small area, you can work a much larger area. Once you've done that, a very brief drying time, 10-15 seconds, and then we just buff off. So we take a SONAX soft touch cloth and just buff away to leave a nice shine and some decent protection behind. And as you can see now, you can see from the beading that it leaves fantastic protection. Next up is our SONAX Extreme PPF and Vinyl Detailer. This is amazing for removing light soiling, restoring the colors of the wraps in PPF, and also adding protection. It's a fantastic maintenance product that you can use after washing, or if you've got some light soiling on there, you can just easily just wipe away like this, like bird poo, things like that. This is perfect. It couldn't be easier to apply. Either spray directly onto the panel, or you can spray onto the cloth, then just spread around, say half the bonnet or whatever you like. Okay, a very brief drying time, turn the cloth over and buff away. And as you can see, it leaves fantastic protection, helps restore the colors of the wrap, keeps your wrap in tip-top condition, makes washing easier because the dirt's not going to be able to penetrate or stick onto the vinyl and PPF, and that just makes everyone's life easier. So there we have it, the new SONAX PPF and vinyl range. It couldn't be simpler. It's a fantastic three-step process to keep your wraps and PPF in amazing condition, make your vehicle easy to clean. What more could you want? Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think. Also let us know if you've tried them out. Let us know how you got on. There's plenty more videos on our channel, so please go and check them out. And also hit the subscribe button, the like button, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next video.